Hello there, my name is Skip Hebert. I am a landscape architect. Today we are going to talk about how to properly plant tree seedlings.
Have you guys done this before?
I've tried. Salt pack 2, 2, 3.
First of all, when you're planting the trees, you need to decide where you're going to put the tree. Is the tree going to be in a good location? Because some trees go really big and then other trees stay small.
Location.
Now you'll notice that the roots that we've got are exposed. These are called bare root seedlings. And these are particularly good to plant because the roots spread out well. They've got a small amount of soil around them, and you notice that I've kept them in water. That keeps the roots moist.
Moist.
When we dig the hole, we want the hole to be at least as big around as the roots are. So that's about 1 foot diameter, and it needs to be planted at the same height that it grew in the nursery. That soil line is going to be right at that location. So we want to dig the hole a little bit deeper than the depth of those roots. There we go. It's important when you get the seedlings is to make sure the roots are spread out so that they aren't stuck together, because if they're stuck together they can start growing around in each other and they'll actually girdle the tree and it will actually kill the trees. We've got the tree set in the ground. Now the very first thing we talk about is keeping the trees moist. We want to put a little bit of water in here before we go any further.
Water.
Then we take the rest of the soil and we put it in around the tree.
Mulch.
Very important, the mulch should not come in contact with the root or the trunk of the tree, because if it does, that can cause diseases and that can cause problems with moisture right around the trunk of the tree. So there we go, we have a properly planted seedling.
Yay.
Yay! There we go. Spread around.
Walt. Will. Jasper. Will. Wilson. Dykes.